Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, what is the value of a? Given that you have 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a equals 100, then let's have it to be solution. So from here we have 5 to the power of a in common. Let's factor it out. 5 to the power of a divided by this, it will give us 1, plus 5 to the power of a divided by this, it will give us 1, then equals 100. So from here we have 5 to the power of a, 1 plus 1 from here will be 2, equals 100. So dividing through by 2, we have 5 to the power of a equals 100 divided by 2 will give us 50. So from here, to get the value of a, let us introduce log to both sides of this exponential. So we have here to be log 5 to the power of a equals log 50. So let us recall once again, when we have log p to the power of m equals m times log p. So from here we have a times log 5 equals log 50. Then dividing through by log 5, so we have a, this will cancel out this, be log 50 over log 5. Then let us recall that when we have log a over log b equals log of a in base b, so we can now have this as a will be log 50 in base 5. But to have this in the simplest form, we can recall from here where we have log 50 over log 5, and we have 50 to be equals 5 times 10. So we are going to have a to be log open parenthesis 5 times 10 divided by log 5. Then when we have log open parenthesis a times b, this equals as log a plus log b. So we have a to be log 5 plus log 10 over log 5. So a will now be log 5 over log 5 plus log 10 over log 5. So from here we have a log 5 over log 5 will be 1. They are the same thing. This will give us 1. Then we have log 10 over log 5. Then also you can have 10 as 5 times 2. So this again will be a equals 1 plus log open parenthesis 5 times 2 over log 5. So from here we have a to be 1 plus this equals log 5 plus log 2 over log 5. So from here we have A 1 plus log 5 over log 5 log 2 over log 5. So we have A. This divided by this will also give us 1. 1 plus 1 plus log 2 over log 5. So we have A. 1 plus 1 will give us 2 plus log 2 over log 5. Then when we have log A over log B equals log A in base B. So we have A 2 plus log 2 in base 5 in the simplest form. And this also equals as log 50 in base 5. So now let us check. We have 5 to the power of A. 5 to the power of A equals 100. Then when A equals this, we have 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5 plus 5 to the power of A to the power of 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5 is going to give us 100. This is common, so we can factor it out. It will be 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5, open parenthesis. This divided by this will be 1 plus this divided by this will be 1. And it's going to give us 100. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have 5 to the power of 2 plus log 2 in base 5 multiplied by 2 equals 100. Or is it going to give us 100 rather? So when we have a to the power of m plus n equals a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So from here, we have 5 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5 times 2. Then it's going to give us 100. So 5 to the power of 2 means 25 times 2 times 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5. Then it's going to give us 100. 25 times 2 will give us 50 times 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5. So going to give us 100. When you have 5 to the power of 5 to the power of log 2 in base 5, since the base are the same here, the output will be 2. 50 times 2 equals 100. So 100 from here equals 100. So if you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more math tutorial videos. Therefore, A equals log 50 in base 5, that equals 2 plus log 2 in base 5 is correct.